So we're trying to find the restroom in this store. It's kind of hard, you know. We're not specialists at this. Please excuse our mess due to construction. Not an excuse, guys. Not an excuse. I can't find it. I have to poop. What? So, should turn around. You know what? We should ask. Yeah, we should have asked. Why didn't we?
It would have been so much easier.
Way easier. I like sticking my tongue out.
We have to use yours.
My brother, my cousin. Yeah.
Where the restroom's at?
My cousin with his beats, you know.
Wait.
Him. Guys, where's the restroom?
They're taking out the trash. Yeah. He asked them for $2. Yeah, I asked them to
Make my shirt. We're gonna ask, ready?
What?
Excuse me, where's the restroom? Thank you. We're leaving.
Go in the store right here.
Okay.
That looks so delicious. Look.
Haha.
What are you doing, Richard? Go under.
Wrong place. Still recording. My sister with her what? Little Wayne shirt. My Justin Bieber shirt. Texting her boyfriend.
Those nails on
Candy. We're now leaving. Guys, we're leaving.
Hey. I didn't even get to
We'll
use
be
the
back,
restroom.
okay? What?
I didn't get to use the restroom.
What the heck, man? What is this place called? Food City.